Today I'm in a place I don't really know in the Philippines. I'm gonna ride the MRT, the train, the local trains that they use here in Manila. Let's go get a ticket, show you how that looks. This station is called Belmonte. Berigo Belmonte Station. I think this is where you get the tickets, I believe. Yeah. Let's go get a ticket. Alright. I guess you select your ticket, single journey. We're going to Cubao. And you press confirm. It's 15 pesos. Insert your cash. I think I have 15 pesos here. 10, 15, and then it gives you this ticket. There you go. That's how you get a ticket here at the station and where you're going. This is how the card looks like. It's a single journey ticket for this LRT. Alright. This is also the train station and all of the cool stuff here. I think there's also a route on this side. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright. Tap and go. Alright, Santolan. I'll go this way. And this right here is how the station looks like. The LRT station. Berigo Belmonte Station, where I'm at right at the moment. This is also their train lines that they have. How do you see it? LRT, LRT2, MRT, MRT7, and it's even colored. Not bad. Pretty cool. I actually went on the LRT transportation management website to see what the rules are, and there is no rule saying no filming and no photography. So it's kind of weird that they implement that rule when it's not even stated. Anyways, this is a short ride from Berigo Belmonte Station heading towards Cubao Station. This MRT is not the first time I rode this, but here in this train, I've had many run-ins with a lot of the guards saying that it is not allowed to film, you can't talk, and you're not even allowed to use your cell phone. This is one thing that I'd find really weird when taking the train here in the Philippines.
Arriving at Araneta Center, Cubao Terminal Station. Paparating na sa Araneta Center, Cubao Terminal Station.
Sa kanang pintuan po ang magbubukas. Huwag po natin hawakan ang mga pintuan habang nagbubukas. Paki-double check na rin po mga personal yung gamit bago kayo lumabas ng tren.
Alright, so in the video we finally arrived at Cubao Station. I personally don't like the fact that the security guards here feel like they're entitled to kind of like enforcing rules that are not even stated on the station walls or even on their website. That's the train. This is like such a hassle to film here because every time I ride this fucking train, all these guards here, these rent-a-cops, like to give me a problem. I don't find there's a reason why you shouldn't film in here. In Japan and even in other places that have trains, I don't know if there's a reason why you can't film in a damn train station here in Philippines. I don't see anything wrong. But we're here at Cubao. Yes. Alright, so regardless of all that, I hope you guys enjoyed the cool sights and sounds of a train ride here in Manila, Philippines. I still don't know the reason why you can't really film or take pictures or talk in a train or even use your cell phone. But yeah, that's the experience I got. Alright. Put it in this and we're good. And right over here in Cubao station, it leads you to, I think this is looks like Alimo. Oh no, it's not Alimo. This is the center is now Araneta City. Araneta City, I think. Alright. I'm a little bit pissed off because I really hate the trains. Not the trains, sorry. I hate the security guards at the train stations here in Manila. Like, just riding on the train station, you can't film inside. They get mad if you film. If you even step over a line, they like call you out on a big speaker, get mad at you. And it's like they got nothing else going on with their job, so they kind of really enforce things. But then when you ride the train, it's like you're not supposed to use the phone, but everyone's on their phone. You're not supposed to talk, but everyone's talking. And it's kind of weird that like the train rules are like that here, riding the LRT. But I didn't have a really nice train ride, and every time I do ride the fucking train in Philippines, Manila, I always get irritated. Like, the guards always act like they're a cop or something, and it gives me such a hard time with me filming. It kind of pisses me off here in Manila. I don't understand that, but when you're in Tokyo, or you know, of course this is not Tokyo, but when you're in a different place, they don't care as much as when you know, film. So it's kind of crazy, because even when I watch like, I guess, walking videos or exploring videos of Philippines, they film trains and they film their train rides. I mean, I filmed the train ride earlier, but just filming, even just trying to film the platform, was not a cool thing. It just was such a hassle for me. Yeah. We'll go ahead and end this. Bye.